Hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. We are discussing Python entry questions. The question number 70. Because what is the difference between the normal methods and abstract methods in Python? Okay, tell me about some information on normal and abstract method in Python. Because there are two types of methods basically. One is a normal method as usual. Abstract methods are there. Yes, normal method means what? The normal method contains method declaration as well as implementations. Yes, normal methods contains what? Method declaration as well as what? Implementations. Def disp is there, na? You know that method. Def disp is there. Print good morning. This is called normal method. What do you mean abstract method? So declare the method using def keyword, right? Def keyword. The abstract method contains only method declaration. Normal method contains method declaration as well as implementation, but abstract method contains only method declaration but not implementation. That's what there is no implementation means don't leave it as empty. We have this a pass, right? We have this what? Pass keyword in Python. The abstract method contains only method declaration but not implementation, right? To represent your method is abstract, use @abstract method qualifier. These are called generally we are calling it as a qualifiers, @abstract method qualifier. Because the abstract method contains what? Only method declarations, but not implementations. That's what there is no implementation, right? Simply make it as a pass. The abstract method contains only method declaration but not implementation. To represent your method is abstract method, we need to use @abstract method qualifier. Because we need to use what? @abstract method qualifier, right? I think you got the point, right? This is normal method, declaration is there, implementations are there. Abstract method means only declaration, there is no implementation. We need to make the pass and represent the method is abstract method using abstract modifier. Like that you have to give the explanation to the interview, guys. Try to read all the questions carefully and try to inject some content in your mind so that you will get the confidence, right? In the confidence you will attend the interviews, automatically get the job. You know, no knowledge, no confidence. No confidence means how can present in interview, how will you get the job? Because you get the point, right? That's what all the 100 questions, check all the questions with explanation. What is the difference between the normal methods and abstract methods? There are two types of methods, normal and abstract method. Normal method contains method declaration and implementations, but abstract contains only method declaration, there is no implementation. And there is no implementation means don't leave it as empty, we have to make the pass and represent your method is abstract method using @abstract method qualifier. Represent your method is abstract using @abstract method qualifier, right? Yeah, that's the point, guys. Very simple thing. Okay, so that's all, guys. That's all for the question. So meet in next video, we'll go for the next question.